Good morning, students. Today we learn how to write capital cursive letter M to Z. Okay, now start. Yesterday we learned capital cursive letter A to L. Okay, today we learn how to write capital cursive letter M to Z. Okay, let's start. M. M start on the third line like this with a little curve and go on the first line. Okay, now start on the top line and moving down on the third line. Okay, again we will go on the first line and moving down on the third line, take a right curve. Okay, M. Next is N. Again start on the third line with a little curve, go on the top line like this. Okay, again start on the top line and moving down on the third line. Okay, now you will go on the first line like this. Okay, and next is O. Put your pencil on the top line and curving down towards the third line. Okay, then curving back up on the first line. Okay, and put your pencil where we started and take a curve like this. O. Next is P. P started on the top line and moving down on the third line and moving, go on the first line and moving, coming on the second line like this. P. Next is Q. Q started on the third line. We will go on the first line like this and curving down on the third line again and around this curve. Q. After Q, R. R start on the top line, moving down the third line and again we'll move on the top line like this and moving down like this. Okay, R. Next is S. S start on the third line, on the top line and moving down like this. S. T starting with a curve. T starting with a curve, we move upwards and right along with the first line and moving down and ending on the third line with a left curve, left upward curve, like this. Okay. U starting on the first line with a curve and finishing on the third line. Okay, like this till we reach on the top line and we finish off with the slight curve when we reach on the third line. Okay, now V starting with a curve at the first line, moving down towards the third line, moving back up on the top line. We take around this curve and finish on the second line. Okay, V W starting from the here and ending on the third line, and we move back up. Okay, on the top line. Okay, and we're moving down on the third line, taking an upward turn at the first line. Okay, taking around this curve bend like this. Okay, X starting on the second line like this. We go on the top line and curving down, take a left curve like this. Okay, again we will go on the top line with a little curve. We are moving down, go on the third line and take a right curve like this. Okay, X. Y starting with a slight curve on the second line. We go on the top line and moving down towards the third line and moving up towards the top line. Okay, like this, and starting from the top line and ending on the fourth line like this. Make a around this curve inwards and intersect the previously written line to finish. Okay, G and last J starting from the second line. Okay, and we will go on the top line and moving down on the third line, curving down, starting from the third line and go on the fourth line, make a roundish curve inwards and intersect the previously written line like this. Students, today we learn how to write capital cursive letter M to Z. Okay, M to Z. Now today is your homework to write one page writing capital cursive letter M to Z. Okay, thank you.